We are really shocked because kids have died consuming the cough syrup. First of all, the system which has been so corrupt has to be punished. And this punishment should teach a lesson who have been completely corrupt in supplying this kind of medicines. And I think the health ministry from the center and the state have to not leave a single any kind of excuses in finding out the roots of this supply of these drugs which is causing this kind of condition to the children. And I totally have my condolence with the small little children, because I am a mother. I know how difficult, just because consuming the cough syrup, they have lost their lives. So the government has to take a very strict action, stringent action, so that it is not repeated once again.